Okay, so to begin our lesson, we're going to be talking about place value, and that's one of the vocabulary words that we need to know, and we're going to go over another couple vocabulary words that are going to be important to this unit that we're currently in. So place value. Place value, these are the digits that make up the numbers in our number system. So the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. You use these digits to create a number. For example, the number 798 is consisted of the digits 7, 9, and 8. So digits are combined to create a number. Each digit sits in a different place, and every place has a different value. So you see this place value chart down here. And in this place value chart, we have, starting with your ones, your tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. So in third grade, we go up to our 100,000s, and we have 6 different places in our place value chart that we will be using. So the example that they gave us, the number is 555,555. Even though this number is made up of only using the digit 5, each digit has a different value. So for example, the 5 with the circle around it is in the 10,000s place, and it has a value of 50,000. The 5 with the line under it is in the tens place, and it has a value of 50. Okay, so let's go to our next place. Let's go to our next couple vocabulary words that we're going to be going over. Compose and decompose. So I'm going to talk about this later on in the lesson that's going to be continued. And you're going to practice composing and decomposing numbers. So when you compose numbers, you put them together to make a whole. And when you decompose numbers, you're breaking them apart. You're breaking a whole into parts. You can show the breakdown of the numbers in a variety of ways. So they gave us this example of 1,356. So if I take this into expanded form, that's 1,000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 6. And then you can see the expanded notation, and you can see the pictorial models. The pictorial models, this pink is 1,000s cube. The purple squares are your hundreds blocks. The teal colored or green colored rods are your tens rods, and the orange little cubes are your ones cubes. So these are all the different ways that you can represent the number 1,356. In the expanded notation, you have 1 times 1,000 because you only have the digit 1 in the 1,000s, meaning you only have 1 1,000. With the hundreds, though, you have 3 hundreds. So you have 3 of these little blocks, which is 3 times 100. That would equal 300. The same thing with the 5 and times 10. 5 times 10 is 50 because the green digit up here in your example is a 5, but that doesn't have a value of 5. That has a value of 50. Just like we saw down here, this 5 is in your tens place. So is this 5. And remember, we said that this 5 has a value of 50. Not a value of 5, but a value of 50. A value of 5 would be a 5 in the ones place. And here in your ones place, you have a 6. So the value of this 6, this digit 6, is 6. Just like the value of the 3 is not 3, the value of the 3 is 300. Okay, so We're going to be using composing and decomposing numbers in the continuation of this lesson.